will be mentioned before you. And it says, due to security reasons, I wish not to disclose his name. There's a party, consistent party. They know the LR number. They don't know who it belongs. But again, they confirm that it is a prominent leader. Because of security reasons, they cannot disclose before this. Your Honor, my two clients were told that this land belongs to the head of state of this country, the president of this country. And that is the reason why my two clients are being dragged with a lot of fanfare, just because the alleged land belongs to the head of state. That is the information that I've gotten from my clients. Number two, an application for 7 days is unreasonable. The state wants to go and verify a fake title deed. According to the state, already a title deed has been issued. The title deed allegedly is in possession of a second and third person. The title deeds, Your Honor, are a preserve of the land's registrar. The state does not need 7 days. To get a search on that land. If it is the land of the head of state, all lands, and I urge the court to take judicial notice that all lands of the head of state are protected by the dreaded DSU company called Receipt. These two small rascals could not gain entry in the property of the head of state.
January 2023, and supported by an affidavit of Sergeant Layson Schumer of 5th of January 2022. The main prayer is a request that the court holds the 4 respondents at Muthaiga Police Station for 7 days, pending completion of investigations of 4 purported offences against both the state and a complainant. The application is not opposed by the 1st and 4th respondents. However, it is opposed by the 2nd and 3rd respondents through the counsels Mr. Omari and Mr. Shadrach Wambui. In opposing the application, the following main issues arise. Number 1, the request to restrict the rights of the 4 respondents, of the 2 respondents, for 7 days is excessive. In the alternative, the court grants bail or 2 days custodial period. Number 2, since the land reference number is known, the state uses its machinery. It ought to investigate the matter at the land's office to determine any other persons who are purported owners of the property. Number 3, less restrictive measures should be considered by the court. Number 4, divide 2 cases, Sudi Oscar versus Republic 2020 EKLR and Michael Rotich 2016 EKLR. The defense seeks that the court is persuaded not to allow the police custodial orders as they are subject to abuse. In my determination, I have considered the facts as presented. I have also considered Article 24, 27, and 49 of the Constitution and all other laws as cited by the parties. In the case of Sudi Oscar, defense can safely be granted bail by the court. The state is yet to record statements and get other suspects. However, the recording of statements and tracing of other suspects should not be placed squarely on the shoulders of the respondents. In fact, this may be deemed as contravening the rights of the respondents. Having analyzed the facts, the precedents, the law, the arguments herein, I find that the respondents will be detained at Muthaiga Police Station for 2 days, ending 11 a.m. on Friday, 7th of January. Thereafter, on 7th of January, after 11 a.m., granted police cash bill of 30,000 each and shall report daily to the investigating officer.